But if you look at it, today learners are actually learning beyond the traditional learning management system. So how should organizations facilitate that curiosity, build skills and competency, and at the same time ensure employees are more productive in their job?
Yeah, it is always the classic question. I mean, you spend time in learning. How will you focus in the job? But I think that question is no longer relevant, because unless you learn, you will not be able to do your job at all. That's what is going to be the new norm. Because as I said, especially in IT high tech scenario, a particular job profile is changing completely every 3 years. In some cases, it is 2 years, because the rapid innovation that happens. So I develop a library, you develop a library, and we both are not keeping it only to our organization. We put it in GitHub, and that becomes a product by itself, and the people keep contributing. Then suddenly you see, 3,000 people are working on that code, and it becomes much better than a proprietary software. But now I have to learn that whoever is using the proprietary software needs to throw it, and they have to learn this new method. So what is happening here is, unless I learn, I'll not be able to relevant. Unless I'm not relevant, I'll not be able to productive. So investment on learning systems are no longer, I would say, a luxury. It is the fundamental necessity going forward. You need to train your people. You need to let them go out and explore, because the organization themselves will not know what is relevant, and the L&D cannot keep track of, if I have 50 job roles, I'll not be able to keep track of what is the current requirement for these 50 job roles. Yeah, I can do it, but by the time you collate, you just put together a curriculum, you develop training, you roll out in 2 years' time, then it is kind of outdated. Probably 60-70% is already gone. So this is a constant challenge. So you need to look at a system which is ready to explore. So obviously you will upload content. Then you have another system like like a SharePoint in your internal network, where you are storing all the product catalog and everything. That can be a source for you, because operationally you will keep updating it. And then you might have a video library which is in another system. Out of this, you may even link to some repository like Udemy, Coursera, from where your employees can learn. So your learning system should be able to go even out of your organizations and bring what your employees needed. So this is what is going to be the requirement going forward.